Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can manage drum cleaning reminder in washing machine Bosch Series 4. So in the first step, turn on your device and set the control dial to the first position. In the second step, hold the spin button and in the same time switch the control dial to the second position. Hold the spinning. Okay, now we are in the settings mode. Then go to the synthetics, and now the drum cleaning is turned on. If you want to switch it off or just manage this function, click on the delay button to switch it off or switch it on. Now just wait a few seconds to apply the settings and turn on your device. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.